because you too.
It's where the blue is.
Go to hell.
Oh, Zooble, you mismatched cash piano, I'll tear you to pieces! Constructive criticism would be greatly appreciated. I can't tell a compelling story where nothing bad happens. Where's the intrigue? The stakes? Stakes! 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 Stakes!
Yeah. Sex appeal.
What are you
Oh wait, I know what this is.
Oh, I swear to God, if this is one of your suggestions.
Hi everyone! In today's episode of Poach Everything, I'm going to be hunting the critically endangered mommies. Ah, just like Red Ribbon Rhinoceros used to make.